Okay, real talk. You've got clients lining up, your schedule's packed, and you're finally seeing your business boom. But then, bam, the dreaded question hits you. How exactly do you pay for Square appointments? Is it a monthly fee? Transaction-based? Do you need to sell your prized collection of vintage rubber ducks to afford it? If you've ever found yourself staring blankly at your computer screen, sweat beading on your forehead, wondering if you're about to accidentally subscribe to a lifetime supply of glitter glue, you're in the right place. Because today, we're cutting through the confusion and getting you crystal clear on Square appointments pricing. Let's be honest, navigating pricing structures for business tools can feel like trying to decipher an ancient scroll written in a language only understood by accountants and sentient spreadsheets. You're trying to focus on what you do best, providing amazing services to your clients, not get bogged down in a financial labyrinth. But here's the thing, understanding the costs involved is crucial for your business's health. It allows you to budget effectively, predict your expenses, and ultimately, ensure that your hard work translates into actual profit. And Square appointments, while incredibly powerful, is no exception. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back and understand why Square appointments is such a popular choice. It's not just a scheduling tool. It's a comprehensive platform designed to streamline your entire appointment-based business. Think of it as your virtual assistant, receptionist, and marketing guru all rolled into one. It allows you to manage bookings, send automated reminders, process payments, track client history, and even run marketing campaigns. It's a game changer for businesses ranging from salons and spas to personal trainers and consultants. But all this power comes at a cost, right? Absolutely. And that's where the confusion often kicks in. Square's pricing model, like many software as a service, SaaS platforms, is designed to scale with your business. That means the cost isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It depends on several factors, primarily the number of staff members you have. So, let's break it down. First off, Square Appointments offers a free plan. Yes, you heard that right, free. However, this plan is limited and primarily designed for sole proprietors or individuals who don't need extensive team management features. With the free plan, you can access basic scheduling, online booking, and payment processing. And this is a crucial, but you won't have access to features like automated text reminders, multi-location support, or advanced reporting. Think of it as a starter pack, perfect for getting your feet wet and exploring the platform's core functionality. Now, let's talk about the paid plans. Square Appointments offers tiered pricing based on the number of staff members you need to manage. This is where the scaling comes into play. The more staff members, the higher the monthly fee. This model ensures that you only pay for what you actually use. It's designed to be cost-effective for businesses of all sizes, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a bustling salon with a large team. So, how much are we talking? The exact pricing can vary slightly depending on your region and any promotional offer Square might be running. But generally, you can expect to pay a monthly fee that increases incrementally with each additional staff member. It's important to visit the official Square Appointments website for the most up-to-date pricing information for your specific location. Don't rely on outdated blog posts or forum threads. They might not reflect the current rates. But here's a key point to remember. The monthly fee isn't the only cost associated with Square Appointments. Square also charges transaction fees for processing payments. This is standard practice for payment processors. Every time you accept a payment through Square, whether it's an online booking or an in-person transaction, a small percentage will be deducted. These transaction fees are typically a fixed percentage of the transaction amount, plus a small flat fee. Again, the exact rates can vary, so it's essential to check the Square website for the most accurate information. Now, let's talk about the value you're getting for your money. Is Square Appointments worth the investment? The answer, as with most things, depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you're looking for a simple scheduling tool and don't need advanced features, the free plan might be sufficient. But if you're running a growing business with multiple staff members and require robust management tools, the paid plans offer significant advantages. Automated reminders alone can dramatically reduce no-shows, saving you time and money. Online booking streamlines the scheduling process, making it easier for clients to book appointments and freeing up your staff to focus on other tasks. And the integrated payment processing ensures that you get paid quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, Square Appointments integrates seamlessly with other Square products, such as Square Point of Sale and Square Marketing. This integration allows you to create a comprehensive ecosystem for your business, managing everything from scheduling and payments to inventory and marketing from a single platform. This can save you time, reduce administrative overhead, and provide a unified view of your business operations. So, what are the key takeaways? First, Square Appointments offers a free plan for basic scheduling needs. Second, paid plans are tiered based on the number of staff members, allowing you to scale your costs as your business grows. Third, Square charges transaction fees for processing payments, which are separate from the monthly subscription fee. And finally, the value you get from Square Appointments depends on your specific needs, but the platform offers a wide range of features that can streamline your operations and boost your bottom line. To avoid any surprises, here's a practical tip. Before subscribing to a paid plan, take advantage of the free trial. Square often offers a trial period, allowing you to explore the platform's features and determine if it's the right fit for your business. Use this time to test out the various functionalities, familiarize yourself with the interface, and assess how it integrates with your existing workflow. This will help you make an informed decision and avoid any buyer's remorse. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to Square's customer support if you have any questions or concerns. They can provide personalized guidance and help you choose the plan that best suits your needs. And remember, pricing can change. Always refer to the official Square website for the most current pricing information. In conclusion, understanding Square Appointments pricing is crucial for managing your business finances effectively. While the tiered pricing model and transaction fees might seem complex at first, they're designed to be transparent and scalable. By taking the time to research and explore the various options, you can choose a plan that meets your needs and budget. And remember, the value you get from Square Appointments extends beyond the cost. It's about streamlining your operations, improving your client experience, and ultimately, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.